This is 2007 Nissan Altima 4-cylinder. Obviously, this CV half shaft on the driver's side is leaking grease, so need to be replaced. And then let's go the quick route to do it would be take the wheel off, obviously, and I already took the pin off, okay? And this is 32. You can see the number, right? So it's easy. Lose that, and before you lose that, this is okay. This is the bolt, 19 millimeter. You gotta take the pin off and use the 19 millimeter and loosen it and tap on this. Or if you have that kind of ball joint, that kind of tool, you can push it out, all right? Do not hammer on the screw itself. Otherwise, you're gonna damage, you cannot put it back on, all right? This is a very simple, and once you lose this is 21 millimeter, all right? If you have the big wrench or power tool, lose this and this. Before you do that, very simple. There is a sensor right here, okay? Yes, that's a 10 millimeter. All right, just lose that. Let's see if I got this. Yes, right there. That's a 10 millimeter. Just lose that, pull it off, and unclip this also, all right? And loosen it so we're not tangled together. And meantime, you gotta lose this one. This is the brake line, okay? This is the metal pin. Just push it out, hammer it out, and push this out of the way. So you got this lens. When this rotor and brake system, you don't have to take it off, all right? When lose this, you can punch it from here. Use the hammer, punch it, tap it out, okay? Once it come out, the whole thing will come toward you, but it will not fold off because lower ball joint will hold this whole system together. So don't worry about it. People say, oh, you gotta use something to hang onto it. No, don't worry about it. It will not come off, all right? So after that, you just pull this sucker out, okay? This side is easier because this one is a short one, all right? Not like on the passenger side. There's a bracket in between it. That one, you gotta take the whole bracket out, will be easier. Otherwise, you try to pull it off, it rusts on, okay? So that's a hard part. So this is the quick route to replace a passenger side CV half shaft. No, actually, this side is the driver's side, all right? For 2007, I think it's 7 all the way to 12 are the same way. All the parts are the same. So, all right. Good luck, guys. If you need to do, follow this procedure, it's, quick and simple.